Welcome to English with Sophia. Today's B1 English listening practice and insight into American culture. Hello, everyone. I'm Sophia, and today we're going to dive into a fascinating topic that I could discuss for hours: American culture. American culture might be considered one of the most influential worldwide due to the extensive export of culture through media, entertainment, and the internet. Additionally, the prominence of English as a key language in business and travel contributes to its widespread influence. The pillar of freedom. Firstly, one of the central values in the U.S. is freedom. The concept of personal liberty is so significant that it's embedded in the U.S. Constitution and the Declaration of Independence. These documents assert that the government exists primarily to protect an individual's right to freedom. This ethos means that individuals are encouraged to live their lives and make personal choices as long as they do not infringe on others' rights. Unlike many societies where the community and collective good often oversee individual rights, in the U.S., the emphasis is distinctly placed on personal freedom and individualism. Politeness and communication. Moving on, let's talk about politeness, which might not make the U.S. the friendliest country, but certainly one of the politest. Americans often use indirect language to convey requests or ask questions in a softer tone. For example, instead of asking directly, "Where's the restroom?" it's more common to hear, "Could you tell me where the restroom is?" This indirect approach is preferred because it sounds more polite and is less likely to be perceived as abrupt or rude. Entrepreneurial spirit. Another defining element of American culture is the strong sense of entrepreneurship. While entrepreneurship exists worldwide, there is a unique enthusiasm in the U.S. for starting one's own business. Many Americans cherish the idea of creating something from scratch, driven by a blend of innovation, independence, and the pursuit of success. This entrepreneurial spirit is not just about economic gain, but also embodies the freedom to create and manage personal ventures. It reflects a broader cultural appreciation for innovation and self-reliance. These elements are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to American culture, and due to its richness and complexity, we'll definitely need a part 2 to cover more aspects. Thank you for joining today's session. I hope it enriches your understanding of American values and cultural nuances. Keep practicing your English and stay tuned for more insights into fascinating topics here on English with Sophia.